is up, dudes and dudettes? It is obviously Oprelia AI here, and today we are going to be doing a bit of an updated review on Higgsfield AI, which we did an initial feature on like 7 months ago, but since then there has been a lot of updates and changes on the platform, including their own products and things that they have started to basically support on their platform, and this has basically become my go-to-go platform for everything AI, because basically they support all the big models. So whatever you're going to be generating images, you have Dream, you have the latest GPT image, Flux, Z image, Kling. They have your own Higgsfield Soul and also Cinema Studio image, which basically allows you to do hyper realistic camera shots. So if you're really going for realism and really nice like movie style cinematography, that is the one you want to definitely go for. And obviously they have high resolution upscalers, selfie creators, editing features, basically everything you're looking for in terms of image generation, and obviously my personal favorite, Nano Banana Pro. But also, we are going to be today maybe focusing more a bit on the video stuff, which they also have a lot to offer. And the thing is, as you know, sometimes you might subscribe to like Midjourney, or you might subscribe to Veo. But the thing is, at 1 month they may be the best, and on the next month they may no longer be the best anymore. So your subscription becomes kind of useless because the changes on the quality matter so much whenever there's going to be a one update and suddenly another AI model is basically top at the video field. And that has become, a lot of things that have changed throughout the image generators and the video generators, especially. And that's why it's really good to have one platform where you can basically use all of them. It basically has absolutely everything here in terms of big popular models, except like obviously Adobe-based model and Midjourney, which are closed source. Those are not open source things. And I was able to create a lot of really cool stuff. I want to show you the click to ad
I love
feature.
using
This is
this face cream every
amazing. And let me show you one of the things that I was able to create with it. So this is really useful for people who are doing like e-commerce.
24 tooth crampons with steel spikes deliver confident traction on ice and snow. Elastic straps fit most boots for fast, secure attachment. Trust them on every winter hike.
So basically, you can do any type of commercial for any product possible on the actual platform, and that is very powerful. So this was just a random Temu page that I took, and then I was like, hey, create an ad for me. Let me show you this one first. So let me take this, I think this is from Last Airbender. I'm just going to be copying the actual Temu page, and we can go back into just creating an ad here. We're going to be clicking continue, and they will be going into extracting all the data from the actual website. So it will take a couple of images, and then it will start to do all of these things under the hood. But let me show you some of the other stuff that also I've been cooking on the platform. So as I said, there are all of these different video models currently available. And the best way, as always, has been you want to first generate an image, and then you want to animate it that later. This is the way you're going to be getting the best quality, and in some cases also the best motion. And for example, I was just doing this image, and then I was like, hey, please animate it to me, and these were the end results. And this is, by the way, like a good example, like when the animation does not go well. So the Kling is something like the Kling 2.6 is just not like, I was actually using a wrong preset for that. So you gotta be really careful about using the presets wrong. But here's so Veo is probably one of my favorite video models right now in terms of quality, because if you're doing shorts, that's something that I've been slowly getting into, like now doing shorts content, which is going to be more abstract random stuff, kind of experimenting with it. You want to really have something that can generate audio as of right now, and there's some other good models also which provide good results, like 2.6. So I think really, if you look at the prompt and the way it was able to follow it, really good. The sounds were not as amazing as in Veo, but I think 2.6 is also actually pretty decent video model to go for. Maybe not the best for audio, but in case you don't care about the audio, maybe you're doing stock footage. Like, people have to really think about how to make money these days with these platforms, whether it's selling stock video, stock footage, or all types of other types of personal content you're going to be creating throughout the platform. Let me see, actually, yeah, so it's actually very fast. As you can see, it already did that in a couple of minutes. and we're just going to be going with product images, and those probably are not going to be used. So let's just go with this one and continue. And you can choose from different types of presets on the platform. We have clean minimal, we have simple UGC, unboxing, customer reviews, cozy morning, product story. I think we're going to be going with the simple and see what exactly we're going to be doing. We could also do red carpet, but I don't think it really fits into this project. And here we're going to be generating now, and that's going to be taking some time. And there is so many different models, as I said, available here. So we have basically all the big ones. I think Cdance 1.5 is also very good. I was able to do pretty nice results here. Here's a couple of other ones that I was able to create. These are also, by the way, I want to show you a couple of the other products things. So this is another one that I was doing with Sora. And the Sora, this is from part of the, let me actually refresh, something's not loading properly. So Sora also has this sort of trends feature on the platform, or they have a Sora feature. Okay, somehow it's not working right now.
With swords! Stay back! Oh, just get out! Get out of here!
So that, as you can see, was very random, but that was also like using an actual Sora trend, preset. So I will talk about those in a second. What you can go for.
With swords! Stay back!
The looping is going on. Always happening when I'm recording. But anyways, so you can basically go into these trends things. And the trend is very useful because, like, let's say you want to do something very specific of a shorts video. So that I just showed you is not maybe something I would upload to my own channel, but it's something that is kind of on the level of the quality of doing like a random shorts with a different type of preset. Well, whatever you want to be doing. And here's another commercial thing that I was able to do. This is like a commercial preset. This is not like having any type of reference thing.
In a world of quiet luxury, grace moves in measured steps. Precision meets poise. Every motion deliberate. Elegance, even in the art of the duel. In a world...
So that was really cool in my opinion. Like, it feels like a commercial. Yes, there's some parts that are actually a bit more on the lower quality, but this was not generated actually on the best quality possible to my understanding. So this was 720p, and I didn't use the absolute things, but this didn't have any reference images or anything like that. So that's also very impressive what Sora can do. And I think the audio here, in terms of that, like, sounds, if I didn't see the video, I would actually argue that that could be like a real commercial playing on the background. So it has this ability right now. You can do all commercials, all types of like instant consuming prompts. It's all types of different things you can do. This is a good example, just like a do cartoon shot, and you can do your own like a children's bedtime story type of video, which you can play to your kids, and those are very popular, very high retention rates. So that was Cdance. So Cdance 1.5 Pro is really good in my opinion. I think it's one of the better ones. I think there's a lot of problems on the platform when I'm using Kling, for example. But I think right now, like, Cdream and Cdance and VO3 are probably the best ones that you can use for in this platform. Obviously, each of these, depending on what model you use, what quality and all that, is going to be a different type of credit cost attached to them. And let's see if our actual commercial is...
This lightweight fisherman hat's fish scale trim is so fun, keeps me warm at the beach or in winter, and fits perfectly.
Okay, that failed. So I'm just like giving you real, I'm not like editing this out. That was total failure on the actual advertisement. I don't know why it used a different hat. When I was doing the other one, it had more of sample images. Here they just offered one to us, and maybe that's why I wasn't able to generate it. But when the woman was talking, it was talking about the description of the actual product, but it just didn't animate that on the screen. maybe if we would use a lot more next time, if we would do another one, we could add more reference images into the field and maybe we would able to generate it properly. But as you can see, it's still trial and error with a lot of these AIs. You're never gonna get like on a one go absolutely everything done on the best way possible. But let me see if I can actually find the trends thing, because this kind of annoys me. And obviously on the platform, there's many different options for many of them. So if you have Google VO3, you have quality options, you have duration options, you have ratio options. So there's going to be different types of limitations. The ones that obviously most people are interested in are 9:16 and 16:9, because those are the shorts model, and that is the normal model that is available on. So here basically are the trends things. And for example, I was able to use like a DJ set preset, and I just said like, hey, do a DJ set on top of Wall of China, and this was the end result.
Oh, that's nasty, man. Look at him go.
Great wall getting wobbly.
All right, hands up. Let's drop it.
So not the highest quality, but it definitely followed the actual prompt to pretty well. And that's what I kind of like about it. And these ones that I showed you earlier, these are one of the presets. So there are a lot of good presets here available. We have
Maps.
Edit, we have Bad Cook, we have Primal, we have Nostalgia Clips, and all of these are very essential presets and formats that you want to use in your shorts content, because usually people are doing cat videos, or maybe they're doing something specific like lore or something like that. And these presets are extremely useful. Some people are animal, whatever. And these are going to be getting you really, really good quality. Places situation, that's what I was using with the cats, for example. And the end result was pretty good. This one looks more amazing, but Sora is very inconsistent in my opinion. But all things considered, I think Higgsfield right now is a great platform, and the pricing is not too bad. Obviously, there's different types of models that they currently have ongoing, but ultimately, there are 4 models here. We have the basic, very cheap, $9 only, 17.4 for the Pro, Ultimate, and also Creator. And obviously, some of these, like 600 credits, is not a lot for generating actual videos. But then again, you also have the option to go for Ultimate, which is not really that much if all you need is the video and image stuff, and Higgsfield is able to provide all of that to you already. And obviously, there's going to be different things that are included on all of these models. So some are not available on the earlier models. So basically, I think the Ultimate and Pro are probably the best ones to go. If you're only interested in video image generation, then you can just go for basic. But that basically wraps up my thing about Higgsfield. I think it's one of the best platforms you can go for right now, accessing both video and image instead of subscribing to 2 different separate platforms, which is not really good for you. Thanks for watching. I will be seeing you guys in the next review when that will be dropping out. Cheers.